This is an image post configured with a link which takes us to a gallery when it's clicked on. And there are 5 of these image posts, each which takes us to a different gallery. And if we look at the edit page, and these are all cloned off of the original. On each of them we've enabled the local post data. So on the original post, which links to the mermaid gallery, we styled the background, spacing, and text of the captions and images. We configured the type of caption. We added a caption text and we added a link to the image caption. And the link was configured to be an internal link going to a page within the website. And that was for the mermaid gallery. So when we enabled the local clone data in the subsequent image posts, that allowed us to keep the configurations and the styling of the original, but now we were able to upload another image. We could also have changed the name if it was already uploaded. We can change the alt title, and we can add the new caption text, and here we can choose either an internal link or an external link, and we can make a link query. Link queries can be used for any number of purposes. In this case, if we didn't want to use the default first image for our gallery, we could have used a link query, but that was unnecessary in this case. And then for each of these images, what we did was we configured the different text, the different link to the gallery, and the different image itself. So that saved us initial time in styling and configuring each of these posts, and it also allows us to update and tweak it and have those updates and tweaks appear in each of these. Now, here we see how the associated text stays linked to each of the image posts so that we know that they're related. These associated text posts are not cloned, and that's because they both have different text and their styles are not identical. There's a different background color. So if we're changing both the data and the styles, then we're not going to clone it. Now, when these were made to make it quick, you can set up the styles, which in this case included absolute styling, and it included some advanced styles, as well as some basic font styling. So that way they were only styled on one post. And then we used an import feature to import all the styles and configurations at once to the 4 other text type posts. That also exported the background color. And then all we needed to do was to change the background color. So that was a lot quicker than styling each of these individually. So to make things very quick, there's a multitude of various importing and exporting options, and we'll take a look at those in a separate video. Now here we're looking at how the 2 posts work together. They remain associated with one another. They compress to a point, and then they slide past one another. So in addition to using relative positioning, they also use a feature called advanced styling. And in this case, that just tweaks some padding and some margins. And that was the only advanced style change that was needed. And we'll see more of how these 2 posts work together in a video featuring special classes, advanced styling, group styling, and global styling.